Hi everybody, I'm Professor J, and I wanted to give you a little background on myself. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering and a Master's of Science in Mathematical Sciences. So on this channel, you guys are going to see everything math. And later on, we can get into some physics. We can get into some physics, because I have background there too, that's fine. But if there's something here that you need that you have not seen, because of course I can't put everything all at once, then go ahead and comment and subscribe so that I know what you need. Once you guys subscribe, click that little subscribe button. Next to it, you're going to see a little bell. When you click that bell, it's going to let you know when I put a new video up. You can expect videos every Friday. If I put multiple videos, you'll see them in the morning at about 11:30 and then in the evening at about 5:30. So every Friday I'm going to put up new videos. And again, if there's not a video that you need or information that you need to comment, subscribe, let me know so that I can put something that you need up. Okay? So thanks for joining. See you soon.